Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company New York Speech Coaching. They're looking for an administrative assistant. It pays from $800 a week. New York Speech Coaching, the premier studio for public speaking, speaking voice enhancement, and corporate speech training, is seeking an administrative assistant. Job title: Administrative Assistant. Job summary: the administrative assistant assists the administration manager with all of New York Speech Coaching's administrative operations, including managing the company's communications, data management and reporting, serving as liaison to the instructors and their clients, and additional duties as assigned. The administrative assistant, in addition to working with New York Speech Coaching, will also work with our spin-off entities in establishing and learning their administrative infrastructure. What can you expect? Become a member of New York Speech Coaching's tight-knit team, helping our clients communicate their most authentic selves to the world. The ability to make an immediate impact within the organization. What are some of the highlights of the position? Entirely remote position. 2 weeks paid time off per year. Additional information about the position. No retirement benefits. Health insurance at this time. Flexible unpaid days off per year. What is the timeline? Training period. First 4 weeks compensated hourly as independent contractor. Flexible schedule. Official position. Full-time salary position. We will count on you to provide administrative support, communicate with clients via email and phone, assist the heads of administration and operations, senior leadership team, and instructors with client tracking, retention, and outreach, manage and organize company calendars, ensure company policies are followed and updated, track opportunities and company statistics, engage in sales by drafting messages and proposals to new clients and potential corporate partners, maintain spreadsheets for tracking significant company data and growth, manage payroll, collect documentation for payment, ensure accurate payment to all staff members. As the company grows and its needs expand, so will the administrative position in both scope and salary. What you'll need to have: collaborative spirit, exceedingly high attention to detail, strong verbal and written communication skills, career-minded, long-term goals with our company, regular availability to be reached, respond during the workday, high school diploma or JED, bachelor's degree preferred, proficiency in G Suite. Applicants must have legal work authorization in the U.S. on a permanent and ongoing basis without the need for sponsorship now or in the future. What will make you stand out? Strong interpersonal skills, excellent writing skills, passion for systems thinking, an interest in speech, voice, and communications. How to apply? If you are interested in the position, please review our website and submit a cover letter with your application. Only applicants who submit a cover letter will be considered. We want to be sensitive to your time and recognize that submitting job-specific cover letters can be involved. Feel free to simply add 2-3 sentences at the top of your standard letter that describes your interest in working with a speech coaching company. If you are able to do a custom cover letter based on your observations from reviewing our website, those applicants will be given weighted consideration. Lastly, please begin your cover letter with a sentence describing an animal you like, silly as it sounds. Attention to detail is paramount in this position, and beginning your letter with this alerts us to your conscientiousness in reviewing this post. Note, as a communications company, we prioritize conscientiousness and care in speaking and writing. Only mistake-free and grammar-conscious cover letters and resumes will be considered. Job type: full-time. Pay from $800 per week. Benefits: flexible schedule, paid time off, schedule Monday to Friday. Uncode. Application question: to be considered for this position, please include a cover letter. Education: high school or equivalent. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.